Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Panta Mobile Standing Desk, a versatile and adjustable rolling computer desk designed to enhance your home office experience. This innovative workstation features 3 desktops, including a computer monitor platform, keyboard tray, and mouse tray, all of which are height adjustable and can be tilted up to 45 degrees, making it perfect for both right and left-handed users. The desk's height can be easily adjusted from 26.9 to 46.8 inches, allowing you to switch between sitting and standing, promoting better posture and reducing the health risks associated with prolonged sitting. Equipped with lockable and removable caster wheels, this desk is easy to move across any surface, even carpets, and can be conveniently slid under your chair or sofa. Constructed from sturdy steel and MDF wood, it can support up to 66 pounds, accommodating a laptop and external monitor with ease. The desk also features a handy cup holder and 2 L-shaped hooks for added convenience, while its wear-resistant and waterproof surface ensures easy maintenance with just a quick wipe. With its elegant design and easy assembly, the Panta Mobile Standing Desk is the perfect addition to any home office, offering flexibility and style for all your work from home needs.